The artistic and unique charm of transforming old wooden chairs into wall-mounted shelves is a wondrous example of how creativity and functionality can intertwine in the realm of home decor. As spaces in urban living conditions become increasingly limited, innovative solutions that maximize use while maintaining aesthetic appeal are essential. This transformation is not merely about repurposing old furniture, but about curating a story, provoking conversations, and adding a distinctive character to modern interiors. The charm of old wooden chairs, each piece imbued with history, character, and craftsmanship, serves as an endless canvas for creative endeavors, turning what might otherwise be forgotten or discarded into practical and inspiring home decor elements. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. This channel is all about thoughtful crafting, artistic transformations, and budget-friendly decor ideas designed to spark creativity and make every space feel special. Each video is carefully created to take you on a complete journey, from raw ideas to beautiful finishes. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. The process of converting these vintage chairs into wall-mounted shelves begins with a deep appreciation for their innate beauty. Every scratch tells a story, every curve reveals the craftsmanship of its time. Old wooden chairs often feature intricate designs, like detailed carvings or unexpected shapes, that can be aesthetically elevated when integrated into a new context. By disassembling the chair and selecting various components, such as the seat, backrest, or even the legs, artisans can design unique shelving systems that reflect their artistic vision. This journey of reimagination not only breathes new life into a once-loved piece, but also transforms it into a functional object that serves a contemporary purpose in modern living spaces. Wall-mounted shelves derived from old chairs excel at blending form with function, providing practical solutions for small spaces where every inch counts. For individuals living in compact apartments or homes, utilizing vertical space becomes imperative. Floating shelves fashioned from an old chair's seat or backrest can lead to artfully arranged displays that showcase books, plants, or decorative items without encroaching on valuable floor space. This approach maximizes the utility of every nook and cranny, allowing homeowners to express their style without sacrificing functionality. The contrast between the rustic wood and modern lifestyle creates a harmonious balance that can elevate any room, be it a cozy living room, an inviting kitchen, or even a stylish bathroom. On top of its practical applications, this concept also fuels creative journeys that inspire further artistic endeavors. Elevating old wooden chairs into chic shelves encourages individual expression as artisans experiment with colors, finishes, and design elements unique to their tastes. An old white painted chair can evoke a coastal, beachy vibe when mounted as a shelf compared to a rustic, dark-stained piece that provides a vintage farmhouse feel. With creative vision, one can incorporate upholstery remnants or paints that harmonize with the existing decor, turning each shelving unit into a curated piece that reflects the artisan's personality and elevates the entire space. This magic lies in the creative process, inviting those who engage in it to explore their artistic side while also connecting with the materials. Moreover, repurposing old wooden chairs into wall-mounted shelves epitomizes sustainable design practices, allowing for budget-friendly decor that aligns with contemporary environmental consciousness. As the push for sustainability in interior design gains traction, homeowners and artisans alike seek ways to reduce waste and embrace eco-friendly solutions in their living environments. By repurposing furniture that may have otherwise ended up in landfills, individuals contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle while cultivating a home filled with character and personal narrative. This eco-friendly mindset resonates with a growing number of consumers who appreciate artisanal craftsmanship that reflects thoughtful choices rather than impulse purchases of mass-produced items. As more consumers gravitate toward unique, handmade items, there's a market for functional art that tells a story. Individuals can create their own brand by marketing these beautifully crafted shelves through local markets, social media platforms, or e-commerce sites. The affordability of using reclaimed materials means that artisans can keep production costs low while maximizing potential profits, which further reinforces the appeal of this creative pursuit. Furthermore, these repurposed shelves serve as excellent conversation starters, inviting guests into a dialogue about sustainability, creativity, and personal taste. Every time someone admires a shelf made from an old wooden chair, they're not just looking at a functional piece of furniture. They're witnessing a transformation that represents artistry, ingenuity, and respect for materials. The stories behind the repurposing, how it came to be, the materials used, and the design choices made add layers of depth to the decor, encouraging guests to engage with the space on a personal level. In a world where mass production often overshadows individuality, these pieces stand as a testament to the charm of the handmade, fostering connections between artisans, their creations, and those who experience them. As the trend of upcycling and repurposing continues to flourish, the artistic transformation of old wooden chairs into wall-mounted shelves presents a unique marrying of creativity and practicality, a wonderful testament to the potential that lies within forgotten materials. This practice encourages a mindset steeped in resourcefulness, stimulating innovative thinking. Individuals looking to refresh their decor can approach their environments with newfound inspiration, seeing potential in items they may have previously overlooked. Transforming these chairs challenges traditional notions of decor, inspiring a fresh and artistic approach to interior design that lovingly embraces individuality. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of decor ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The journey of transforming forgotten chairs into stunning displays is one brimming with the opportunity for expression, innovation, and an enduring connection to the art of living beautifully while honoring the past. In addition to its captivating aesthetic and sustainability features, creating wall-mounted shelves from old wooden chairs also delineates a personal journey grounded in craftsmanship and dedication. Engaging in such projects highlights the rewarding nature of working with one's hands, offering a sense of accomplishment that is deeply gratifying. Every completed shelving unit not only signifies a tangible outcome, but also encapsulates the hours spent brainstorming designs and perfecting techniques. Embracing such projects heralds a journey that goes beyond mere decoration, inviting artisans and homeowners alike to engage in a meaningful dialogue about the beauty of repurposing, the charm of personal expression, and the merits of innovative design. As this artistic trend continues to grow, it paves the way for a future that values resourcefulness, creativity, and individuality, fundamentally changing how we perceive and interact with our home environments. In a world where the trend is toward fast consumption, embracing the elegance of upcycling worn furniture into functional and beautiful decor pieces serves not only to beautify living spaces, but also to cultivate a culture of mindfulness, creativity, and appreciation for the extraordinary potential contained within everyday items. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with decor ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video.